Hi, my name is Sean, and today in this short video I'm going to talk about custom quotes and what happens once you send the custom quote and when do you request a custom quote. To request for a custom quote, visit our website printpapa.com and click on this custom job link. Once you are at this page, you have four different options to choose from. Single sheet printing quote form, which is basically one sheet of paper, for example flyers, brochures, postcards, books and booklets, large format like banners and signs, and if those three doesn't fill your needs, use the simple quote form. The quote dashboard is for once you have the quotes sent out, you can view the quote status, you can manage the quote, and even you can place orders right here in the quote dashboard. So I'm going to click on the single sheet quote form, and here this is a form with it will ask you a bunch of questions. Answer those questions as accurately as possible so that we can get the code back to you ASAP without going back and forth. If you're not sure what this question means, you can click on this small question mark and it will show you what this question is asking for. So in this question, I'm going to fill out this form and see what the next step going to be. So I'm going to start filling out I'm requesting for a flyer which is a 8 by 10 flyer, and I checked the website. We don't have a 8 by 10 flyer, so I'm going to select the flat size as 8 by 10. Since there's no folding, it's going to be 8 by 10 also. I need quote on two different quantities, 100 and 250. I can also request for a quantity for 500. The nicer thing is the more up you go on the quantity, you will see the prices actually don't double or triple based on the quantity. It actually goes down the unit price. So it's always good to get quote for a couple of quantities. And what kind of paper do you like? You can choose from different various sections of paper. If you don't know what this paper means, you can request for a free paper swatch deck and we'll mail that to you for free. It's asking you how many colors on the front. I need a full color on the front. It's a flyer. It's printed both sides full color. So I selected full color. I don't need any folding, so no folding. I don't have any other bindery needs. Do you need mailing services? No, I don't need any direct mailing services. This is basically if you're going to direct mail like postcards, you're going to mail them through US Postal Service using bulk mail, then you can select this service. Do you want to see a proof? Yeah, I want to see an online PDF proof. You can select a file. I'm not going to upload a file at this stage because this is just a demo, but I would highly recommend sending or attaching a file. Select delivery date. So I want I want to pick this up this Friday. I want to give a name to this job, my demo flyer, and any instructions or comments I missed. No, that's pretty much it. You can enter any comments and click next. Once it's next, if you are already logged in, it will not ask you for a registration or a sign in. This is just showing me all the code details. Just want to review it. If I want to make any changes, I can do edit and make the change, or if everything looks good, I'm going to go ahead and submit for quote. At this stage, this quote has been sent successfully to Print Papa. We will what happens on the back, we have few people who are working on custom jobs, and they will review your quote and get back to you ASAP. If you need that quote or it's a rush job, please do give us a call or send us an email, orders@printpapa.com. So now let's go click on the view all quotes. This is the dashboard which I was talking about, and here you can see that this is a quote I requested. This is the ID 9052. You can view the quote again right here, and if you have any questions, quote dashboard, you can always go back to this quote right here, and you can also learn about the statuses, what the status means, new RFQ, new request for quote. So now next step is what happens after we send you back the quote request. You will also get an email once you submit the quote. In the email you can see all the quote information you sent. So this email is just an email confirmation like the quote has been sent, and it comes to your email which you use to register on the website. Once you receive the once we have Once we have gone through the quote, we will send you an you will once we have gone through the quote, you will receive an email with the quote details. So you will receive an email, quote request status for my demo flyer. This is the quote I requested. Your quote request is available to review, and your quote request has been updated. So please click on this link. So I will click on this link, and it will ask me for my login. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and here you go. This is the quote I requested, my demo flyer. This is the height and width. These are the three quantities. As you can see, 100 is $45, 250 is 75, 500 is 95, and has all the details. I'm going to select the quantity which I want to order. Let's say I want to order 250 because 250 is really the cost effective, and that's I needed 150, but 250 will be better. So I'm going to go ahead and place order, and now my quote has been converted to an order. It shows right here $75 for 250, my demo flyer, all the job details, and it also tells you a turnaround time, 5 business days. So based on when I upload the files, and once the proof gets approved, 5 business days from then the order will be ready for pickup or shipping. I'm going to add to cart, and it adds to cart, and then I can go through the checkout process, which is pretty much standard checkout process. Once I have checked out, I will be getting the links to upload the files. So that pretty much completes our custom quote demo of a custom quote system. As you can see, it's very simple, and you can request custom quote for any jobs or any products which we don't offer as a standard products right in our product category here. Thank you.